Alright, y'all. Update on my car. Did the valve cover gasket, got that done. Um, Found the brake line problem. The back brake line's rusted, so I need to replace that. But right now, I'm doing a little bit of my own modifying. Um, I took the SSEI and painted the EI black, and I'm debating right now if I should paint the SS red or just leave it like that. And that's my biggest thing right now. I'm thinking, but she's coming along. Got everything back together. Headliner clean, battery charged up. Finally ran the old gas out of it. So when I put fresh gas in, it should be right. This car, apparently they say takes 93 octane. So they come with the dual exhaust on it. Got one muffler there and one muffler over there. But yeah. So shoot, if you're liking what y'all seen, like this video, subscribe, and let's see how far I can get with this project. Have a good day.